this is Glenn from forexmegadroid.com.au. This is the first in a series of videos that will take you through the Forex Megadroid Robot and how to set it up and the settings in the robot and also the results that it gets. Obviously what you need to do is go and open up a MT4 broker account, either with Forex Meta, which the guys recommend here, or any MT4 broker, it doesn't really matter. When you purchase the Forex Megadroid, you'll be presented with this page. To download it, you're presented with a few options. Option 1, you can download the manual here, then you download the robot here, and then there's a support file that you download here. Alternatively, option 2 allows you to download one zip file which contains those 3 files. I've already downloaded them here, and these are the 3 files separately, or this is the zip file here. If you extract this file, these are the 3 files that you're presented with. What you need to do is you need to then install your MT4 software program. It's probably a good idea to start with a demo account. Once you've got that set up, what you need to do is you need to start copying some files into some folders. Now when you install your MT4 software, you need to find the path or where the files are that you've installed for your MT4 broker software. I use a broker called GoTrader. They're an Australian company, or Australian MT4 broker. Their path here on my computer obviously is C program files GoTrader 4. I've installed multiple configurations here, but it doesn't really matter. What you're looking for is the experts folder. So you need to open up the experts folder, which is here. Okay, I've got a second installation here, but you need to open up your experts folder. In here we need to place this file here, megadroid.ex4. So we'll copy that, then we go to our experts folder and paste it. Next we need to go inside this folder to the libraries folder. So we double click on that, we go to where our files were, we copy this megadroid.dll and we paste it inside that folder. Now what we need to do is we need to start our broker software. So I'm going to open mine up and I'll just drag it onto this window so we can actually see it. Generally what will happen is it'll be asking you for an update. Generally if you downloaded it the first time, it'll want to do some updates once you've opened the account, so basically let that go through. What I'll do is I'm going to pause that while this goes on so you don't sit here and watch this boring update, and when it finishes I'll come back. Okay guys, back again. The update's finished. Now what we want to do is the robot works on the Euro-US pair. This is the manual here. I'll just quickly show you the manual, and it's probably a good idea to go through this and read it. We'll go through a few more settings down the track, but what we want to do is this video is just to show you how to actually set it up so it's actually working. So we want to open up the Euro-US pair. Some brokers have different ways to open up charts. GoTrader enables you to either use this drop down menu up here, or you can use the symbols here. The Euro-US is actually a very popular cross pair, so it shouldn't be too hard to open up. And there it is right there. So if I click on that, a chart will open up. It automatically defaults to the 1 hour, and that's the settings which the Forex Megadroid actually likes, is the Euro-US 1 hour. So that's the chart we're after. Now what we want to do is, once you've opened up a demo account, this is my demo account here. If you haven't done it, you can right click and go open an account and go through the details. Mine's already open. This is just a demo account with, as you can see, 5,000 open equity in it. What we want to do is we want to go to the expert advisors here, and we'll see, I've got some other ones that I use, but the Megadroid is the one we're after. And you simply drag and drop it on here. Up comes this window. What we want to do is we want to make sure allow live trading is ticked, okay? And by default there shouldn't be a tick in there, but That's essentially what we're after. Okay. Next we go to the input section. We click on that. Now we'll go through a lot of these different settings later on, but for this to work, what we need to do is we have to put in our receipt code. So when you purchase the software, you would have received a receipt code from ClickBank. So what I'm going to do is put in my receipt code here. You probably won't see this because I'm going to make sure I grey this out. Yeah. Right. And obviously you need that receipt code in there for this thing to work. Now I'm going to move this up so you can't actually see it. And like I said, we're going to go through a lot of these settings later. One other setting that I'm going to use, and we'll go through it later, is our lot sizes. So what we want to do is we want to make sure our risk level, I'm going to use a certain percentage of my account to be risked on every single trade. Now you can either have fixed lots trading, so every single trade will be 1 lot or 0.1 lots or whatever, depending on what your risk tolerance is. But what the robot allows you to do is to risk a certain percentage of your bank every single trade. So just say you wanted to risk just 1% of your bank on every single trade, which is very good money management. And this is entirely up to you. The robot enables you to manage all your trades automatically with proper money management. So let's just say over here in the risk level, I want to risk 0.1% or 1% of my bank balance every single trade. Okay, so they're the two settings that I'm going to put in here for the time being. One is the ClickBank receipt code, and the second is my risk level of 1% per trade. I want to save these settings, so I click on save. It will automatically prompt me to save it in my presets folder, which is on my computer, and I'm just going to call this Megadroid. Get rid of the caps, and we'll save that. Alright, and we click OK. What you'll see over here on the right hand side is Megadroid has a little smiley face. That means it likes all the settings. And over here on the left is all the settings for the Megadroid. Now I'll see if I can just move it across. Here we go. Essentially it's telling me that it's waiting for a trade. It's got the smiley face. We now have an active expert advisor. That'll do for this video. This is just to get it up and running. From here you can actually see that the Forex Megadroid is running. I've had this running on another demo account, and so far it's doing quite well. I also have a live account that my business partner and I have, and we have live money trading on this expert advisor at the moment. So we'll be able to show you week by week how our demo account is going and also how our live account is going. We believe, obviously, that if an expert advisor is going to make you money, you might as well put real money in it and see if it does do it. So what we'll show you at forexmegadroid.com.au is our demo account, so we can muck around with settings and just tweak things and see how they go. And we'll also have a live account that we can show you the balance and the trades every single week. So I hope you've enjoyed this first video in our series, just in setting it up. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to drop us a line. We're more than happy to help you out as best we can. And thanks.